Hey you guys, it's Annie with Salttown Realty. So it's Fabulous Friday Finds. And I know I keep saying that, like, don't worry, I'm not going to become a luxury agent, da-da-da. I just keep finding these amazing luxury properties. And today we've got one. It's a $2 million property, although she just lowered the price to like 1,999,999. But it is so cool and I'm super excited to see it. So this is your treat today. What does $2 million get you in Salt Lake City? So here we go. Okay, so we're in a really interesting location. This is Foothill Drive, but it's not like the Foothill Drive. The Foothill Drive is just on the other side of this. So basically we're backed up against like Yellcrest. We're next to a little church. So it's actually like a really quiet, wide street. So if you like having parties, there's plenty of space for that here. And then look at our place. It's like super mid-century. Loving this like super tall carport. You could have the $200,000 van of your dreams in here too, and wait till you see the lights in the garage. They're very cool. It's gonna be like goals. So look at this entryway. Okay. All right, there's our entryway. And as we come in, we've got this cute little spot here. That goes to the garage. We'll do that in a second. And here is our home. This big kitchen. Nice little dining room, and this house has so many different spots. Like, it's really great for entertaining. Ugh, look at this range, you guys. Oh, it's so beautiful. And this massive fridge. I don't even know, like, I'm not even familiar with this kind of fridge. Look at this thing. Humongous fridge. Loving the wallpaper. Very, like, mid-century nod going on in here. Original hardwood floors, which is really cool. Can't wait to explore that zone. Okay, before we forget it, I just want to show you the garage. And obviously, the cool part about it is these lights. Look at how bougie. It's like a showroom. Love it in here. Like, okay, gonna go home and look for those lights online for my garage. Okay, just came up little steps. Let's like just notice all the little details. And the details of a more expensive house is these are like, you know, custom made, soft close, little cabinets built in, this little desk vanity, like those lights, like every detail is accounted for. This one looks like they kept the original tile, but that's okay. It's still very cute. Nice storage. Oh, actually, maybe it's not. I love that tile. I don't know. I can't tell if it's new or not, but it's like cute and quirky, which you know I'm about. And you guys, I can't even. This is the primary bedroom. Let's just look at this one really quick. Very cute kids room, and the design in here, I gotta find out who their stager is, but like all of this, just like custom little built-ins, super cute. It's all in the details. Okay, let's look at this stupid primary bedroom of my dreams. So this whole thing is the primary bedroom. Look at this crazy love. I love this like whole situation. These doors open up completely, so this like entire wall opens up into this patio. There's a hot tub out there, y'all. Ugh. Okay, check out this. Look at this bathroom. It's very nice with that tub. You know what's gonna happen there later. We've got like 3 shower heads in here. It's like a car wash. And like, it's just so beautiful. Like this whole thing is just, oh, beautiful. Little toilet closet. And then here is your closet. No big deal. You've got your own vanity. And, oh, washer and dryer go there. That's cool. Oh. Okay, you guys, so now we are in the first downstairs, and can we just like admire this like old school mid-century, I don't even know what this is, but I love it. Anyway, check out this entertaining area. Those like parquet floors, the built-in planters in the back. I love that they kept so much of the original stuff in here. These like hanging lights are amazing. Gas fireplace upgrade. Little details like this wall. This bar is so cool. And then also like that mirror matches the mirror that was just in the bathroom, so they're just very thoughtful. Little movie room, these schmance seats. Okay. And then you've got a little guest bath with, again, like the nod, that's new tile, but that's a nod to the original that was on the stairs I just pointed out. Okay, so we're gonna go down the second set of stairs. Now we have cork on the floor. I'm just like loving all of their flooring choices because now you're in the basement and cork is just kind of warm and more quiet than like a tile or linoleum or something. So details. So cute little wet bar down here. Fun, look at how they have this staged. It's just cute. Little poker stuff. Cool wallpaper. So this is nice flex space down here. You've got like kids room or guest rooms or whatever. Oh, just loving all of their choices. The tile, there's that same tile from upstairs. So that must be the OG tile. And then that's probably OG and that's probably new. I don't know. Anyway, I like it. We've got another cute bedroom. Style is killing me. Please come to my house and make it better. Laundry, so another set of laundry. Very cute, very, very cute. Okay, so from the ping pong room, we head outside to a big old bullfrog hot tub. Not mad at that. And like, actually like a really reasonable size yard, so you're not like toiling. That must go to a little alley. That's kind of cool. Huh. Little patio area. Grapes, like super reasonable. And then the reason I found this place is because sometimes I type in spiral in case places have cool spiral staircases, and this has one that goes up to the patio that is for that primary bedroom. Hubba hubba. Oh, very nice house.